You guys got a Raptor, yeah!
Yay! Raptor.
Alright guys, finally the driver's called me. He's about to pull up. Super excited. Unfortunately it's late. Michael went home already. It's dark outside, so we're gonna load this thing in the nighttime. It's gonna be a little sketchy, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna load it. So let's go check out what we bought. Alright guys, it's pretty late, but he just got here. Hopefully the forklift's gonna start. Got a little warning light. Relax a little bit. Alright guys, it's the next morning. The Raptor's here, Michael's here. Let's check it out. I'm super happy. I'm super excited about it. It looks a lot better this morning than it did last night. But let's check it out.
Alright. So it's a 2011 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter. It's honestly not that bad going through it. I mean, check it out.
It's got a little bit of burn damage.
You see the fire, but then over here you can see it already stopped. So they definitely put it out. I mean, look, the fog lights are all good and everything.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
I mean, you got the alternator right here. Does it spin?
I don't know.
No, that's bad.
I don't know if that engine's good anymore. I don't know. It doesn't look good at all. But honestly, DIY gang, you guys have inspired us to test it out. Before you, I don't know, we'll probably just throw it away. But I want to try it out. I want to see if the engine's good. Maybe it's compression. Who knows? Maybe we'll have to
Maybe it'll
salvage
spin
it.
over. Who knows?
Yeah.
But look at that. We got half a glass. That's not bad.
Look at this tire.
Look at the tire.
It's perfectly fine.
It's not. I don't see any heat marks or anything.
That's crazy.
This door looks pretty good.
Yeah,
the mirror's
gotta go, but I mean, the door's fine. Stand that down. There's really not that much body damage either. It's not that bad.
There is a dent right here.
There is.
You
It's not too
can
bad.
kind of see it.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. Let's check out the interior.
Dang.
Wow.
Dang.
Look at this headlight.
Headlight, yeah.
Let's take that out.
What happens is usually they throw all the garbage inside. Copart doesn't want to deal with it either, so they take everything from the front and just throw it inside.
But look at that.
We'll have to check it out once we start tearing down.
Airbags are good?
I think they're fine. We'll
Really
definitely
good.
look into that, but we'll...
Look at this. Oh, we're good, Michael. It's not gonna smell like a fire anymore.
It does smell pretty good in here.
Does it smell good? Mmm.
Dang. This is crazy.
Whoa. That didn't go off?
Wow.
That's crazy. Let's check out the glove box. Nothing.
Nothing there.
Got more of the hood. Who knows what that is? The rear view mirror. We might need that.
Yeah.
It's in neutral already. Got all these switches.
What is that all for?
We don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Looks cool. Check out the back.
What? We got some gloves.
We got gloves. Look at that.
Look at these. We'll call them
Just start
Raptor
working on
gloves.
it.
Nice.
A Raptor glove.
Fantastic.
What else is in there?
I don't know. Let me put these gloves on before we keep digging. It's kind of gross.
Yeah, definitely put those gloves on. But it looks like it's got aftermarket flares. It's not OEM. Because I think the OEM's a 2-piece. This is a 1-piece.
Wow.
So, not bad. Maybe aftermarket exhaust. Yeah.
Suspension looks different. Is that stock
No,
SVT?
that's, yeah.
Wow,
that's
nice.
the Raptor suspension. It's got the rear bumper. That's pretty cool. And it's got like all this stuff in the back. I'm gonna throw it all out. But tires are brand new. Rims are cool.
Dang, excited.
This bumper's cool. This fender, it's bad. And look at this, guys. It's got a seat cover. So our seat's still good.
Maybe. Yeah. Pretty industrial seat cover.
Yeah. He definitely cared. Look at that. That's like mint condition.
What fire? What are you talking about?
I don't know, guys. I found a lighter. Maybe this is what started the fire. Ew. I don't know. I don't even want to sit in it yet. But we got a key made for it. And yeah, we got no power. Look, another lighter. They must have been smokers. Surprised that didn't blow up. So we're excited. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna strip the interior, strip the front. A lot of work, but nobody else is rebuilding a Raptor, so
Let's do it.
we wanted to be. We're done with the other Silverado trucks, so we figured.
It's Loctite, you know?
Loctite?
I mean, I'm sure all this burnt stuff it's not gonna be easy, but yeah, we'll get it.
Heck yeah. I'm just wondering how many miles are on it. Could be high, could be low. I'm thinking really high, but who knows, you know?
All right, guys, so we're super excited about this Raptor build. We're gonna have a giveaway as well at the end of the video, so stay tuned to find out what it is and how you could win. But
Very easy, you just got to comment Raptor, you guys. That's what we got. We got a Raptor. You comment Raptor, you win something that has a Raptor on it.
that makes sense. That makes sense.
It's gonna be exciting, you guys.
Yeah.
We're super excited. What do you guys think? Do you think it was a good buy? You guys know how much we paid for it. So,
Yeah.
was it good? Was it bad?
Yeah, I mean, we're still debating what to do with that engine. I mean, probably the transmission's fine. Hopefully that's good. I mean,
Yeah.
we'll have to see. We'll start tearing it down, see everything that's broken, what we need to replace. If you have any parts, let us know. I mean, we'd appreciate it.
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna get a whole parts truck, maybe a front clip, or piece it together. I've been looking for parts. It's not too hard to find. So far, I found almost everything. We even found an engine, we found a transmission. Pretty good deal on it. So there's parts out there for this thing. We even went to the dealer, got a price on the wire harnesses and things like that, and that wasn't too much. But, you know, just a lot of work of cleanup. Right now, there's gonna be a lot of cleanup. But unfortunately, is it gonna be next episode, or we're gonna do it right now? What do you guys think? Let's do a little bit.
A little bit. Let's get into it a little bit, see what we got. All right, so there's like this step going on right here.
That's cool.
That's pretty neat.
Makes your life a little easier, huh?
Yeah,
What? All safe.
nice. Look at that, come on in.
So all this junk in the trash, what is it?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of junk in this thing, but man, look at that. Is that safe? What? Look at this
What?
box. Man, this thing's like industrial. Yeah, that welded on there. I wonder what's inside.
A safe without a lock?
What? That's cool. I mean, it's like a high-end car, so I'm excited. I wonder what's in there.
What's in there?
I don't know. Let's see.
Done.
There's a Raptor in there, Raptor. Just kidding, guys. There's nothing in there. We already looked. But yeah, since we had a Raptor.
You put a Raptor inside a Raptor.
I'm just kidding.
That was a good joke, Michael.
I
That
thought it was kind of funny.
was funny.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just dump all this stuff. So we're gonna push it to the dumpster and just get it all out.
You think we can push it, guys? All the wheels are good. We got the key so we can kind of turn the steering wheel. It's only like 10 feet. So let's see if we can do this.
Trying to push that thing, it does not go anywhere. We got like 4 guys going at it, but that thing is heavy. So we can get the forklift.
Let's go.
There we go, nice and close to the dumpster.
Let's go.
All right, guys, now the fun part. We're gonna cut some wires up.
I wonder if we put power to it, or what happens.
The ground, so it's not gonna do anything. Damn. This is the easiest wire harness removal ever. We should recycle this.
I mean, look at that.
Isn't the copper like pretty high right now? Like,
maybe that's what they're going for. They just wanted the wires. Okay.
and there's the headlight. A lot of good parts left.
It's just a little dusty.
Just a little dust.
Just a little dusty. That engine looks so bad, but
look, you got a coil pack.
yeah, the coil pack at the end doesn't look bad.
Another one. Easiest engine harness I ever took out. Frente. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for this episode. We got a lot done. We got the Raptor unloaded last night. This morning we took it apart a little bit. We took, assessed the damage, looked at it, checked it out. We're happy about it. It's a lot of work, but we're gonna do it. We cleaned it a little bit, but on the next episode we're gonna strip it and get more, of the damage, burn stuff off, and start ordering parts. If you guys have some parts, email us.
Appreciate it. Yeah, that'd be great.
Before we go, we actually made you guys another sign.
Boom! Look at that. Here you go.
Really, really sick. So to win that, all you have to do is comment Raptor in the comments and follow us on Instagram at Nico Brothers and subscribe. And if you guys like this video,
let us know in the comments. We appreciate it. Thanks, guys.